Now, characteristics of bank. Dealing with money. Individual form company, acceptance of deposits, lending loans, payment and withdrawal, agency and utility services, profit and service orientation, ever increasing functions, connecting link, banking business, name identity. These are the characteristics of banks. Now, banks are financial institutions which deal with money of the public. Bank may be a person, firm, or a company. Banks accept deposits from the public. These deposits are returned whenever the customers demand it or after a prescribed period. Banks advance loans to industrial sector, agricultural sector, education, house construction, and for other purposes. Banks facilitate the customers to withdraw their deposits in the form of checks and draft. Bank advance loans to industrial sectors. Agency and utility services banks provide various banking facilities to its customers. They include general utility services and agency services. A bank is a profit seeking institution having service oriented approach. Banks continuously expand and diversify their functions. Bank collect surplus money of the customers and lend the same to those who are in need of money. The main activity of the bank is banking business, that is accepting deposits from the customers and lending the same to those who need money. It is not a subsidiary to any other business. Bank always bank to their names. Canara Bank, Vijaya Bank, Corporation Bank, State Bank of India, State Bank of Mysore. It enables the customers to know in which bank they are dealing with money.